Sharma classes. So, without wasting any time, we are going to study a really important article which was published yesterday, that is on 30th November 2021 in the Hindu newspaper. And this article was published on page number 1. तो ये article आपका page 1 पे आया था. This is important for preliminary examination and GS paper 2 in mains. The article says 12 RS MPs, RS means Rajya Sabha, MPs means Member of Parliament, suspended for misconduct. So 12 opposition members of Rajya Sabha, they were suspended for the entire winter session. जो मंडे से winter session start हुआ है ना, पूरे winter session में के लिए 12 opposition members थे राज्यसभा के जिनको suspend कर दिया गया है. Why they have been suspended? Because of their misconduct, unprecedented acts of misconduct, and because of their violent behavior, unruly behavior. तो अगस्त 11 को उनके इस बिहेवियर के कारण अब उन्हें पूरे विंटर सेशन में बैठने की इजाजत नहीं है. Now, this is the first time that Rajya Sabha members have been suspended for misconduct during the previous session. ऐसा पहली बार हुआ है कि पिछले सेशन में उन्होंने जो misconduct किया था उसके लिए अब next winter session में उन्हें suspend किया गया है. So there are two procedures. First is the procedure of suspending MPs in Lok Sabha, and second is the procedure of suspending the MPs in Rajya Sabha. First, we are going to understand how they are suspended in Lok Sabha. Okay. Now, when we talk about suspension of MPs in Lok Sabha, it is the role and duty of Speaker of Lok Sabha to maintain the order of the House so that the House can function very smoothly. और कभी कभी तो ये टास्क बहुत ही मुश्किल हो जाता है. At times, this task of the Speaker of Lok Sabha becomes really very tough. Okay. Now, when it comes to Lok Sabha, the MPs are suspended using the rule number 373 of rules of procedure and conduct of business. तो लोक सभा में rule 373 is used for suspending the MPs if they are not good in their behavior, if they are showing unruly or violent behavior. And there are other rules also. For example, rule number, write it down, 374 and rule number 374A. Now, rule number 374 says that the speaker can name a member who disregards the authority of the chair or abuses the rules of the house and willfully obstructs the business of the house. मान लीजिए जानबूझकर कोई member of parliament जो speaker के जो position है उसकी बेइज्जती करे, insult करे, abuse करे सदन के rules को, नियम को, और willfully यानी कि जानते हुए अपनी इच्छा से, स्वेच्छा से continuously सदन का जो business है उसे disrupt करे, तो इस case में he can be disqualified in Lok Sabha by using rule number 374. All right, point clear हो गया? See, 374 ये आपकी बात कहता है. Now let us understand the procedure of suspending the MPs in Rajya Sabha. So here the Speaker of Rajya Sabha used rule number 255. Rajya Sabha में 255 rule use होता है to suspend the members on account of his misconduct. Okay. So like the speaker in Lok Sabha, chairman of Rajya Sabha में कौन होता है? Chairman होता है. So chairman in the Rajya Sabha, speaker की जगह आप लिख सकते हो यहाँ पर chairman. Okay, the chairman of Rajya Sabha, he uses rule number 255 of its rule book to direct any member whose conduct is grossly disorderly to withdraw immediately from the house, and any member who is ordered to go out of the house shall do so and shall absent himself during the remainder of the day's meeting. All right, point clear? Now, when it comes to Rajya Sabha, unlike the Speaker of Lok Sabha, the Chairman of Rajya Sabha does not have power to suspend a member, but he may name the member, and Rajya Sabha may by motion terminate the suspension of that member if that member disregards the authority of the chair or abuses the rules of the council continuously. Okay. Now the question is this suspending the MP a very decent practice? Because member of parliament is a very reputed position. So is suspension of the MP a decent practice? See, it's a strong action, no doubt in it. But it is not uncommon. We have to create a balance in the house, right? We cannot allow a person to abuse the position of the chairman or abuse the process of conducting business in the house. Now there are different alternatives to suspension. The solution to this unruly behavior has to be long term, and it should be according to the democratic values which are laid down in the constitution. So we can warn the MP who is creating problems in the house. We can give him warnings, and but if he also again and again ignores the warning, that then we can take the appropriate action. All right. ओके वी हैव अ स्मॉल अनाउंसमेंट फॉर ऑल ऑफ यू ओवर हियर. यहाँ पर एक छोटी सी अनाउंसमेंट है आप लोगों के लिए. द 3 months फ्री एक्सटेंशन ऑफर दैट आई टोल्ड यू yesterday also in all the lectures of about Unacademy Plus, that if you take a 1 year and above plus GS and plus combo subscription, then your subscription will be extended for 3 months free of cost. This offer is till today only. ठीक है. So this offer is going to end on 1st December 2021 midnight. 12 बजे ये ऑफर खत्म हो जाएगा. It has been extended for one more day. So make sure that you grab hold of this opportunity as fast as you can. Same goes for the huge discount offer that is provided on the combo subscription. Now you can have a chance to grab the affordable batches of Unacademy Plus and affordable guidance and books and mock test series on Unacademy Plus. This offer of providing huge discount on the combo subscription, 25% discount with optional, 10% discount if you use my code ARPITA10. So and flat 2500 already off on your prices. So this offer is again ending tonight, 1st December 2021. So make sure that you catch hold of this offer because new batches are already starting from today. आज से नए batches start हो रहे हैं. ठीक है. New optional batches are also starting. Prelims and mains batches are also starting. Plus you will be getting set of 20 GS books delivered to your house in your choice of language. And they are reviewed by top educators on Unacademy and the previous year UPSC toppers as well. So the links are given below in the description box. Make sure that the next name on the list should be yours. Grab this opportunity and start your preparation from today itself. So this was all for today. इस article में से ये important pointers I have told you. This was all for today. I hope you enjoyed this lecture. If you really enjoyed this lecture, do let me know in the comment section. Thank you and have a beautiful day ahead all of you, and keep revising, keep taking down the notes. All right.